I'm still in here cleaning this to the best of my abilities. The goo gone, okay? No, I think I'm gonna have to get some more of this. I'm using sparingly. However, I was able to clean in and out of there to get, cause like the button, see how the button was jammed up. So now with me cleaning it out, I done clean this one out to the T. As you can see, for the most part, it ain't, I don't know who had it before me, he done got all type of whatever was in it, but I was using this, and like I would wedge this down in between the sides here, right? Wedge it down in there, and then I'll clean it out with the brush. So I'll spray some stuff to clean the brush out. This look like that ain't never gonna come out. This is underneath where the emergency brake go at. Just cleaning up. Just very attentive to detail, man. You know what I'm saying? That's it, man. Even though you can't see it, still gotta keep it cleaner than a whistle.